Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly recap of markets for the week ended September 29, 2023. In key macroeconomic news, US economy grew at an annual rate of 2.1% in the June quarter, unchanged from previous estimate. US new home sales plunged by 8.7% month-on-month to a seasonally adjusted rate of 675,000 units in August 23 from 739,000 units in July 23. US Composite PMI Index dipped to 50.1 in September 23 from 50.2 in August 23. US Services PMI also fell to 50.2 in September 2023 from 50.5 in the previous month. This was the second straight month of weak PMI readings in the US. Recent PMI readings have also been weak in some European nations like Germany and UK. S&P retains India's FY24 growth forecast at 6%, citing global economic slowdown and rising monsoon risks. In markets this week, Nifty witnessed a sharp correction on Thursday but recovered on Friday to end the week 0.2% lower. Mid and small cap indices fared much better than the large caps, ending the week higher by around 1.3%. Among sectoral gainers, the telecom, realty and pharma indices were up around 2.5% for the week. Among sectoral losers, IT index was down 3.4% after weak earnings and guidance by Accenture. In select market movers, shares of Tata Investment Corp jumped by 23%. Shares are up 47% in the last 3 months. MCX shares were up around almost 18% as the company is set to go live with its new internally developed commodity derivatives trading platform. This will result in substantial savings on license fees paid to external vendors. Shares of Delta Corp fell 20% this week after company received tax notices totaling more than 16,000 crores from the Directorate General of GST for the period July 2017 to March 2022. Vedanta shares fell 7.4% during the week after Moody's downgraded the corporate family rating from Caa1 to Caa2 over elevated risks of debt restructuring. In market action, FIIs continued to be net sellers with net cash sales of a larger than usual Rs 8,430 crore this week. DIIs stepped up and bought Rs 8,142 crores of equities in cash, taking their month-till-date purchases to above Rs 20,000 crores. US markets corrected in the early part of the week but recovered towards the end of the week with S&P 500 down 0.7% and the Nasdaq ending flat. In this section, we discuss select reports published by the institutional equities team of HDFC Securities. You can access the detailed reports on our website. For our consumer durables sector update, Q2 generally is the weakest quarter for the industry and we witnessed no change in the demand trend. However, challenges witnessed in the past 12 months are expected to near its end. These challenges have included unseasonal rains, weak consumer sentiment and delayed liquidation of non-rated funds. Crompton and Havells are our top picks. MCX in a press release indicated that the tech shift is underway and might happen 3 months ahead of deadline. The options nominal average daily traded value has increased by more than 3x year on year. We have increased the price target from Rs 1780 to Rs 2,400 per share and retain a buy rating. We recently interacted with the management of Green Panel. Domestic demand is muted and imports are rising. We have a buy rating with a target price of Rs 450 per share. Metro Brands had best-in-class growth and capital allocation over the past 10 years, reflecting in 10-year sales and EBITDA CAGR of 14% and 18% respectively. We retain our sell rating with a target price of Rs 840 per share because of stretched valuation. That is all for this week. Please refer to the detailed disclaimer in the video. Please note that the securities discussed in the presentation are for education or information purposes only. Thank you.